Okay, so here it is on Saturday, and we are venturing out. Man, I'm feeling much better. Oh, way, way, way better. I'll explain a little bit more in a little bit, but we are in search of the fall colors. And look, oh, there's some right there. Yeah, we had to come up. We're headed up towards Cameron Pass up Highway 14, but we had to get up here quite a bit. There was like nothing changing earlier on, but anyway, like I said, feeling much better. Here we are. We're in search. I'll spin around. Oh, we'll see. You can see a little bit up there. You know, a little bit back behind. So yeah, I'm glad all this breathing treatment stuff been doing. I think it's really, really, really helping. So more on that later. But hey, thanks for coming along. So yeah, as I mentioned there in the video, man, the breathing treatments were great. So you know that last week's video, Monday, I still was feeling, total crap. And then I went into the doctor on Tuesday, and they were checking some things. Everything else is still, like, all the boxes were being checked. It was just really weird. So we took a chest X-ray, and basically it was showing some signs of atelectasis. And that's where, the lungs, they haven't fully expanded all the way back out. Actually, it's a good Google term for you to check out. They explain it really well. But yeah, so they gave me a new, here, I'll actually grab a hold of it. This thing right here. Gave a new breathing device. And with that, just deep breathing, got me to coughing and stuff like that. And it really, really, really helped out. And ever since then, like the next day was awesome. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday now, everything has been great. And oh, look who comes to join the video again. Anyway, so there you go. Right now, I've not had any other issues. And so it's been wonderful here the past number of days. So, all right, everybody take care. We'll catch you next Monday if something changes. Oh my gosh, sorry. I did remember, I wanted to show you also, now's the time also, if you don't want to see this part, I wanted to show you how things are progressing there with where they had cut me open. I think it's looking pretty good, but here, if this is the part you don't want to see, now's the time to go ahead and stop, skip on to the next, whatever. So here you go. I'm going to show you this really quick here. So, once they took the tape off, it's actually looking, still, man, that stuff they use, sticky, and it's been 28 days now. And then there's where the drainage tubes were in me. This one has come off. These two are almost come off, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. And it could just be the light right now. Sometimes it just looks a little bit different, but no, I think it's looking awesome. So it does feel a little tight. Just the way things are tied back together or whatever it is, but it does, you take a really deep breath. It does feel, it just feels tight right now. I'm sure things will loosen up over time. Let's see, what is something else that's been unique right at the moment? Oh, occasionally I do get like the little pop. I think I mentioned that maybe in the very, very first video, that moving around, but it's just funny how you feel things kind of move just a little bit. And so anyway, all right, that's it. Now we'll talk to you later. So yeah, well, I lied. I do have a couple more things. One, took me off another blood pressure medication on Tuesday, and then took me off the last one on Friday. So no more blood pressure medications, which is awesome. And I think that's been really helping out. Also, my red blood cell count's back up. And let's see, all the other item, ocular migraines. I mentioned I've been having one every day. Well, now I haven't had one since doing the breathing treatment. That seems to have really, really, really helped. Like I said, if I can say anything, breathe, people. That is like, breathe deep and get yourself to cough. They kept saying it, and I'm like, oh my God, but you cut me open and I hurt so bad, I don't want to cough. Literally, like I sneezed the first week I was home, and thought I was going to have to call an ambulance just because it hurt so bad. But no, breathe deep, get those things popped back open. I really think that will definitely help out, get things cleared up. So there you go. That's it. Now we're good. All right. Take care. We'll see you next time.